Good morning. Today we will discuss about colors. Most colors form two sections when on the human body or the stand. There are some points to remember in designing color. As the color on a garment is usually an important focal point, it should be designed in relation to the garment it is to be attached to. If the garment is to be worn over another piece of clothing, the neckline will have to be altered before the collar is drafted. All colors should be tested in trial before being accepted as correct, and some can often be modeled directly to the stand. To begin with, let us try to make the basic Peter Pan collar. Let's try to put the center back line here. This center back should be 90 degree. And then let's borrow this center back block of our shirt last night, and then try to trace this one. Okay, there. So this one is back shoulder, and then we will put the front, but have an overlapping of 1.5 inches. So the shoulder of the front will become like that. Okay, so this one is front shoulder, and then we will make this one. Let's connect this to get the straight center front. So this is the center front, this is the center back. Let's try to use 2.5 centimeter for width of the collar. Oh, not centimeter, sorry, inches. 2.5 inches. Here, let's get the center of this one. 1, 2, 2.5. Using the curve, let's connect this one so we can get a very nice Peter Pan collar. Look, this one. This looks very nice. Oh, see? This is now our basic Peter Pan collar. Then we will make an outer edge of 1 millimeter for our, this is our outer edge of the collar, and this is the under. So when we are cutting the outer collar, we will use this, and the under collar is this one. Do not forget that in the center front, we need to bring it down by 1 centimeter. Alright? It's very simple thing, but it's very important. We will go to another color, and we call this one roll Peter Pan collar. It's same procedure. We will make a center back line there. We will square this one by 90 degree. Then we will trace a back neck, okay, from our back shirt. Okay, so this shirt of the black, like that. So this is the back shoulder. This is our neck. And we will trace our front. If the overlapping on the basic Peter Pan collar is 1.5 inches, so the overlapping is 2 3/4. So this one will become like that. Let's make this one there, and then this one here. We will make 2.5 as well. Actually, if you are starting to love how to cut a dress and stitching a dress, everything is fun. You will feel like you are playing, and then once you start stitching your own pattern, you will feel something. You will feel like you are relieved because you done something very nice. Before I forgot, we need to go down here by 1 centimeter. So from there, we will make this. There. This looks beautiful. Look, Allah. This is now our Peter Pan collar. The difference between the two, the basic Peter Pan collar has an overlapping 1.5, but here the overlapping is 2 3/4 inches. I will try to discuss you another collar, one piece shirt collar. The measurement that we will use here is the shirt block that we did yesterday. First, let's make in here, and this is center back. It's a normal collar with a stand is 3.5 inches. Then from here to here, 8 1/4 is there. Okay, let's make this square and let us square here. Okay, and then we need to measure from center back shoulder. So using this one, we need to measure 3 1/4. So from here to here, we will measure 3 1/4. So this is our shoulder. From there, we need to connect that. So this point, this is your shoulder. From here to here, we go by 1 centimeter. This is half of the collar measurement. From this measurement, we will go out here by 2 centimeter. Okay, let's put this line. Then we need to go high by 1 centimeter, and we will blend from the back, at least in the shoulder point, there, okay, and this one is straight. Let's connect this. Remember, in the front, this one, yeah, 1 inch. So we will go out here by 1 inch, which is this one. So let's connect that one there, and let's connect this one. Oops. Here you can put your buttonhole. Okay, so this is the one-piece shirt collar. Now we will make the two-piece shirt collar. Again, we need to make a center back line. Use the same measurement for the one-piece collar. Half measurement of the neck, 8 1/4. And let's square this one. Let's put first a line here, and then let's square this one. We have a 1 inch stand, right? So we will do same here. All right, let's try to draw a parallel straight line. And half of the back measurement of the neck is here, 3 1/4. Let's put another line there. So this is, let's put shoulder. This is center back, and this is the front. What we can do, in this 1 inch, let's put another line. This 1 inch, let's put another line there, 1 1/4. I make it already very easy for you. Okay? And then from there, let's measure the size of the collar itself. Let's 1 3/4. 1 3/4. For those who are using centimeter, it's around 4.5 centimeters. Let's square this. So what we can do, let's this 1 1/4 gap between the stand and the collar itself, let's divide into 2. Let's try also to square going to the front. Let's make it. Okay, can you see that? This is the 1 inch stand, and this is the size of the collar. This is your half of the shoulder measurement. Okay, from here, let's make this around 3/8 or 1 centimeter. Then let's blend this. Let's put a nice there. So this is your top. Remember, from here to here, 3/8 or 1 centimeter. You can prepare also to make it half inch. It's up to you. If you want to make it more wider, it's still up to you. You want to make it 1 inch, like, or 1.5 inch, like the collar of Elvis Presley, then you can do it. From here, this is the half of the neck. We will just connect from there. But before that, we need to go in here by 1/4 inch. This one will become like that. I hope you are following, yeah? Then let's connect this. And then we make this. Let's do like that. There you go. And then here. Here. Yeah. There. So this is our stand and this is our collar. Then we will extend this one by 1 inch from here to here. This is a 1 inch. And we will make this one. I want to have a very nice, actually this can help to have a nice angle. Look, right? Then connect this one to have a nice stand. Look, so here is your buttonhole. So this is the 2-piece shirt collar. Okay, today you learned 4 kinds of collar: 2-piece shirt collar, 1-piece shirt collar, the roll Peter Pan collar, and the basic Peter Pan collar. Thank you very much for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.